Hi guys, how are you doing today? I hope you are staying safe during these times and keeping busy. Today I'm going to show you how to do a fun, cool science experiment. For this experiment, you're going to need vinegar, an empty water bottle, some balloons, baking soda. First up, you're going to want to put 1 cup of vinegar into the water bottle. I was starting, but I realized I needed to measure. So I'm going to measure 1 cup of vinegar and put it into the water bottle. Okay, now once you've done that, you're going to put 1/4 of baking soda into your balloon. So you're gonna pick a balloon. I'm gonna go with this pink one. And I'm gonna put 1/4 of baking soda, and it's gonna be kind of hard because the balloon is so small. So I'm gonna have some help here. Can you come on? Just hold it open. Open it a little. Good job. Thank you. Okay, so once you put the 1/4 of baking soda into the balloon, you're going to put it on the balloon, but you aren't going to put the baking soda inside yet. And I'm going to show you guys what's going to happen. Okay. Whoa, do you guys see that? That's so cool. So yeah, that's the science experiment. Try it at home and send pictures. So I wanted to see if I could make a bigger explosion because I felt like with the 1/4 of baking soda, it wasn't that big. So I'm going to try to make it bigger. So we're still going to put 1 cup of vinegar into the water bottle. Yikes. Mom's going to get mad. I used all the vinegar. Okay, and this time, instead of 1/4, I'm actually going to use 1 tablespoon. Come here. It's too orange. Can you hold it open? Like that. Okay. Open it. Let it fall. Wait. Open. Okay, perfect. I hope that's enough. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so now I'm going to put it over, not dump the baking soda in yet. And let's see if we get a bigger explosion. You guys ready? Whoa! Whoa, I'm scared it's gonna explode. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god, I'm scared it's gonna explode. Oh my god! It's huge! Wow! So guys, you could definitely definitely try putting more baking soda because it'll make the balloon way bigger. That's so cool.